Hey guys, Amanda here with Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, and this week is Thanksgiving, and there is so much to be thankful for. I wanted to remind you that our office is closed this Thursday and Friday so that our staff can be with our loved ones. So with that being said, please make sure that you get your refills and any appointment changes in ASAP. No later than tomorrow morning so that we can make sure that we get you guys taken care of before we leave on our break. And as a bonus and a reminder, we are having our annual patient holiday party that's coming up on December 14th. We're going to have fun. We're going to have food. We're going to have Santa again. And we're also going to have a lot of raffle prizes. So we would love to see you. So come and hang out with us for the holidays. And I also want to remind you to have a great Thanksgiving. See you later.